Hey guys, hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to bring you my third and final video for this series. We started with control circuit logic, and then we talked about exercising control valve. And today I want to kind of give you a brief overview of some simple things to look at when it comes to troubleshooting and control valve issues that you might see, and you can determine kind of what's going on. So if you look on the slide, you'll see that the first part is the instruction of using ball valves. Okay, so we mentioned in the last video, um, isolation ball valves are standard on all OCV control valves that leave our system in the waterworks side. One of the things you can check is if you crack one of these bonnet pipe plugs and you um, force the valve open, and if you continue to have fluid running out of this pipe plug, there's a good chance that you have a rupture in your diaphragm or a leak, and it's a good sign that you might need to replace that. You'll see this if your valve isn't staying closed, if it's having a hard time staying shut. That's something to look at. Checking your strainer for debris, as we mentioned, the Y strainer here, as the water flows, we can get calcium deposits build up. Any particulates could clog in there, and eventually, over time, if you don't clean it out, it could actually block this supply passage and not allowing any supply to your cover to drive the valve closed. So that's something to look for. Also verifying your spring range. Okay, so you might have ordered this valve with a spring range when you first started the system, and then as your system grew and demand increased, that spring range might not be valid anymore. So keep in mind what that spring range is, and then verify that the ejector is not being replaced. This T-fitting here is crucial to the control of the valve, the functioning of the valve. If you replace this in the field and you throw it away and just replace it with a standard T-fitting, your valve will not operate. And then lastly, obviously, check for foreign objects in the bottom of the valve. I can't tell you how many times we've gotten calls about a valve not closing, and they finally tear into it and pull the seat out, and then lo and behold, there's a rock on the bottom of it, or we actually had a bucket at one point that was stuck in the line. So that's the last case scenario, but it is possible, so check for that if your valve isn't going closed. So that's about it, and I hope you guys have enjoyed these videos that we've done for you guys. I hope that these maintenance videos, exercising, control circuit logic has brought some sort of insight to control valves for you guys. I hope you guys are all safe and well. I hope you guys are getting back to some sort of normal routine. And if there's anything that we can do to help you guys, we would love that chance. Don't hesitate to call us, like our pages, comment below, send us a message, let us know what you guys are thinking. And as always, you guys stay safe, be well, and we will see you guys later.